First thing we're going to talk about is SSS. Look what it stands for. Side, side, side. S, S, S. Side, side, side. So guess what? We need to have into triangles in order to prove they're congruent. Aside, aside, aside. All three sides. So, if, let's say, refresh this from yesterday, if I said AB is congruent to, what would you have to say? DE. If I said BC, what would you say? EF. And if I said AC, you would say DF. So if I have two triangles and I can match three pairs of sides, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Everybody know what I'm saying? 3 pairs of sides? Mm-hmm. Then I can say my triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Make sure again that this stuff matches exactly. So yesterday we had to prove every single angle, every single side in order to say they're congruent. Today, one of the things, you only have to prove all 3 sides are congruent. So it's kind of like less work. Okay, that's one way. We got our side, side, side. Good here? There we go, bud? Yeah. Okay. The next one we got is side, angle, side. SAS. S comes from side, A comes from angle, F comes from side. The super, super, super important thing is that you have to have the included angle, which means it has to be between the sides. I kind of like to think of it as pick a place to start. Let's start with my side, right here. The next thing I need to run into after my side is an angle. Here's an angle. The next thing after my angle I have to run into is a side. Okay, so like if I had a triangle here, and I had this side, this angle, and then this side, this was a side, this was an angle, this was a side, but the next thing I run into after this isn't an angle. Okay, it has to be the one in between the sides. Okay, and that means directly in between. So I'd have to be given this side, not this one. Okay? It has to be the angle in between the sides. I can't have this side because the angle isn't in between the sides. Think of it like the 2 sides that you need are the ones that make up our angle. Okay, you notice how these 2 sides make up this angle? Those are the 2 sides that I need. Okay, so let's fill out our little thing. If I have my side AB, and it's congruent to which side matches AB? DE. So there's a side, well, SAS, so side, I need an angle next, so I got angle B is congruent to angle E. So I got side, I got angle, now I need side. The next side is BC, and it's congruent to EF. So again, instead of proving every single side and every single angle, if I have a side, an angle, and a side, and that angle is the one directly in between those 2, then I can say my triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. I'm going to throw another one in here. Okay. Pick a place to start. Let's start down here. Here's a side, here's an angle, here's a side. Does SAS work?
No.
No, why not?
you don't run into the angle after you go with the first time.
Yeah, I go side, I run into my angle, but then I don't run into my side next. My side isn't the one that makes up my angle. If I had this angle, would it work? Yeah, because my two sides make up my angle. Okay, we'll get better with that, promise. Alright, you are going to tell me, can I conclude SSS, SAS, or NEI? NEI stands for not enough info, which is like saying none of these. Okay? So looking at this one, do I have side, side, side? Or SAS?
Or side.
Side, side, side. Yeah, I have no angles marked. Quick review. How do I know if I have an angle or side marked? The arc. Yeah. The curve. Yeah, the arc. That's an angle. If I just got a dash, I mean, it's also kind of like if it's on the line, like it's in the middle of it, it's a side. If it's like an arc around an angle, it's an angle. That makes sense? No? Okay. How about this one? Do I have SSS, SAS, or none? SAS, yeah. I got side, I got angle, I got side. Here I got side, I got angle, I got side. Yeah, I got SAS. How about my middle left one? SAS, good. Okay, we're going to start a little bit harder.
Well, if you think of it, you can get
Yes! Lexi, did you catch that?
Yes.
Did you? What'd you say? Yeah, exactly, you didn't. Callie says that this is a vertical angle. So I would prove this using side, angle, side. Good catch, Callie. And Lynn, you got it too. What about my next one? SSS. I only have two sides marked. How can you say SSS? Yeah, the middle they shared. So since they share this one, I got side, side, side. Good. What about my last one?
It's none.
Why is it not SAS? There's an angle marked. There's two sides. I don't get it.
They're not the same for one. It's like weird.
What about this little one? Does this one have SAS?
Yeah.
Yeah, but what's wrong with this one?
It doesn't have it on the sides.
Yeah, I got bad words. ASS. That's the no go. We don't say bad words in school. No, seriously, there's no such thing as that. Don't ever mark that down. Okay. Well, I'm just saying. Questions here? No.
Oh no, I don't want to do these
Back set.
statements again.
Back set. Back set. Okay. Looking at our picture, we got some stuff that I can assume. And the things I can assume are these little dashes. If I'm trying to prove this by SSS, I need three sides. Is there anything that I know straight off the bat about my sides looking at my picture?
They can share that one.
They share that one. So I wouldn't have to be told this one, would I? No. What's the only thing that I would have to be told in order to prove this by SSS?
The other two sides are congruent.
The other two sides are congruent. Yeah. If I said, let's go ED, this side, if I said ED, what's the other side I'm looking for?
FG.
Which way?
Yeah.
GF.
Oh yeah. Said
I would have to be told that. The other one I can come up with, one that they share, I can come up with. But I would have to be told that ED and GF, these two, are congruent in order to say SSS. Okay, looking at my same, it's the exact same picture. I said I can assume these, and then you guys said what else can we do now? The middle they share, so I don't have to be told that. If I want to prove this by SAS, what else do I have to be told?
That there's an angle in there.
That there's an angle in there. How about give me some letters?
E and G.
E and G. I'd have to be told these angles.
No, that wouldn't work.
No, that's a bad word. That's ASS. That's bad. No.
Yeah,
No, no.
Oh, it's
Oh, oh,
Yeah, it's GF. Or DF.
Angles, we need either 1 or 3 letters. So let me ask you this.
So,
Can I be given this angle
what?
Yes.
Yeah.
of this triangle?
Yes.
Wait. No, not of that.
Can I be given this little angle?
No,
No, why not?
this is the ASS.
Yes, bad word. What angle of this triangle do I need? Do I need F, G, or D in that little triangle?
FD.
I need D. Does that mean I need this one down here for my other triangle?
You need F up there.
I need F up here. Okay, it has to be the one in between. So to say this F one, let's go EFD. So angle EFD. And then how would I say this angle D down here?
GDF.
GDF, perfect. Oh, GDF.
GDF?
GDF.
I don't
Yes.
think I knew this.
What's wrong?
It's confusing.
Don't say bad words and it's fine. You just gotta follow what you got. We got side here, so we got side, we got this side, we have to have a thing in between, so it has to be that one. Okay, now I'm not gonna tell you what we're gonna use. I have angle marks, so should I probably use SSS or SAS?
SAS.
Probably gonna use SAS.
That's
Because we have an angle mark. What else can I assume from that picture? Got my middle line. So if I'm using SAS, I have side angle. I'm missing a side. What sides?
LE and NB.
LE and NB. Perfect. LE and B. So I would have to be told that LE is congruent to NB. Okay. Here I'm told sides are the same. What else, looking at my picture, can I decide? My middle. So I have 2 sides marked. What could I use? I could use SSS or SAS. Either one. Okay. Let's do, which one?
That's SS.
SSS. Okay. If I'm gonna do SSS, what would I have to be given? KJ is congruent to
ML.
ML. Okay, it also works if you want to put a side note. Nope, I marked the wrong angle, guys. How dumb. This angle and this angle, if you want to do SAS, but. Okay. Getting a little bit better? Okay. Proofs. Woo! I told you these ones aren't as bad because we have to prove less, and less is always better. Let's look at our stuff that we're given. And let's make sure it's right. We got AB is congruent to CD. That's marked in our picture, right? And then I have BC is congruent to DA. That's marked in our picture. So if I go to my full proof, why do I know that AB is congruent to CD? It's given. Why do I know that BC is congruent to DA?
Given.
It's given. Okay. So I've got 2 more things in my little brain. I got SSS and SAS. Looking at my picture, what's going to be the easiest thing to do?
SSS.
Why?
Is the middle.
Because the middle, they share it. So here, what should I put? If I want to use this, what was the next info that I would need?
That line is congruent.
2
The middle line is congruent.
to itself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we say AC is congruent to AC, because they share, remember whenever they share, just write it down twice. What was that thing?
Reflexive.
Reflexive. Woo! Okay. I got SSS, right? On my sides? Guess what? I consider my triangles are congruent by SSS.
I like those ones.
Is it better, right?
Yeah.
I told you I was lying.
They're equal.
Okay. So you're either going to try to get SSS or SAS in these proofs, okay? Next one. What should I do first? First line, always what? Given. So what should I write? Bob is an angel? Like, what should I write? AJ.
Like this.
C. And
Kill you.
AD is congruent to AM.
It's correct. That was a threat. Good job.
What is the only reason I know that?
It's given.
It's given. Okay, we kind of got a problem. My picture has got nothing on it. So I'm confused as to what I even need to do.
Yeah.
Guess what we're going to do?
Nothing.
Mark our picture. Always, 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 always mark your picture. So AJ, AZ, they each get 1 mark. Why do they each get 1? Because they're the same. AD and AM, they're going to get 2 marks. Alright. We know that we have 2 different things, SSS and SAS. Am I going to be able to prove sides or angles? Just so I have a picture.
Sides.
Why you say angles?
Vertical.
Because it's vertical. Yes. I can't make up crap about these sides, but I can say that these angles are vertical for sure because they're vertical. Can I write angle A as near to angle A? Nope. Let's go angle dash.
What?
Dash. D-A-J. Dash. Is congruent to angle, what would I say? Mas. See, you're not language. And I can say they're congruent why? They are vertical angles. What else do I need to do? Yeah, I can go straight to my little proof thing because I got SAS. So triangle ADJ is congruent to triangle AMZ. And I'm gonna put what for a reason? SAS. Look at that, 3 lines. Woo! That's not bad, right? Why look at me funny? No, okay. Let's start. Alright. Another one. What should I write down first?
PO was congruent to SO.
I should write everything of a given. Good. PO is congruent to SO. And then O is the midpoint of NT.
Did you put that?
Right, the whole thing of the given. How do I know that? Next thing, make sure your picture is marked. Is it?
Yeah.
Sure is. Okay. So I know in my little picture that PO is congruent to SO, yeah? Have I really used the fact that O is the midpoint of NT yet?
No.
No. If O is the midpoint of NT, what do I know?
PS.
ON is congruent to OT.
NO and OT are the same. Yes. NO. No. Is congruent to toe. It's 2, I know. But no and 2 don't rhyme. So that's why I had to be toe. Why are they the same?
Midpoint.
Depth of midpoint. side, side. Can I make up stuff about my sides or my angles? Angles. What can I make up about my angles?
Vertical.
Vertical. We use it all of the time. Let's go. Pon. P-O-N. Oh, we could have done nope. That would have been more fun. That's okay. If I say pon, I gotta say soft. Angle soft. Why are they finger up?
Vertical.
Vertical. Angles. Around. Alright. What do we got?
You gotta write down the proof.
Write down the proof. Angle or triangle P-N-O. Let's come down to triangle S-D-O. And we're trying to write for Y.
S-A-S.
S-A-S. Woo!
It's cold.
Okay, we got one more. First thing is to do what? Write down the given GF is congruent to if and FH by 6 angle G F I and Y given. Step 1, always write down your stuff. Write down your given. Second thing, check your pick. Is my pick marked?
No.
Nope. What should I mark it at?
The GF is congruent to IF.
Okay, I got dashes. GF is congruent to IF.
And then FH bisects angle GFI.
Yeah, good. Bisects GFI. What do I know? Splits it in half. So what? Do I just write half? Like what do I write?
F of bisector.
Okay, what about my statement part?
FH is congruent to FH.
For the bisects thing?
No.
You mean you guys are right when it says it cuts it in half. But what about those halves?
They're the same.
They're the same. So if it cuts this angle in half, what angles am I looking at? The smaller ones.
What?
If it cuts this big angle in half.
Yeah.
What angles are my two halves now? GF what? H. This angle and this angle. And we know that they are what? Congruent. So angle GFH is congruent to angle IFH. And is it because they're vertical angles? No. Why?
Reflexive.
I didn't write down the same thing. Why are my angles congruent?
Reflexive.
They're not the same.
The bisector.
Depth of bisects. Okay. Now whoever was saying stuff about other things.
FH is congruent to FH.
Good. They share FH, write it down. FH is congruent to
FH.
FH. Why?
Reflexive.
Reflexive. Okay. What do I have?
To prove.
Prove part. I can prove triangle FHI is congruent to triangle FHG. Why?
SAS.
S-A-S.
Killer.